Customer states, and he leaned pretty hard on the S-sat.
Commodore on the hoist and a snake in the wheel. Well, welcome to Australia.
Customer states a new light appeared in the engine bay. That is not a light.
Someone jury-rigged a wire instead of repairing the original. Ask me how I know.
Customer states steering wheel shaky on turns.
Work order comes back. Failed to reproduce problem.
He says he almost died about an hour ago, and he brought the evidence in.
Those cables are notorious for going bad. Should have been caught on the inspection.
He drove a 1937 Chevy C-Cab 1,400 miles from home, overheating.
I've brazed castings before. That is an outstandingly good brazing job.
This rolled in with a caption that just read, "The talent of some."
Italian forklift.
Customer states, oil pressure light is on.
Golly, that is bad.
Bees, your engine has bees. Customer will believe that over the truth that they never changed the oil.
This 2026 Santa Fe made it 14,000 miles.
Knock knock, there's a hole in your block.
Somewhere in this sticker ball is a 10mm socket.
Comments had the same trick. A co-worker hid his cigarettes in tape balls until he quit.
Another Nissan oil pan with the drain plug threads completely destroyed.
Just cast threads into the pan and use an O-ringed plastic plug.
The truck came down off the jack, and nobody was underneath it when it did.
Let it rest on the stands, but leave the jack barely touching as a backup.
A local shop charged this customer almost $500 for that weld.
I remember my first 20 minutes with a welder.
Millwright sent this photo with the text, "Please order this motor."
Send him a picture of your monitor turned off. Ask him to confirm it's correct. It's non-returnable.
Something rolled in that even the guys who have seen everything had never seen before.
Best honesty test yet.
Customer states, self-propelled carriage will not start. No current to the spark plug. Bent the contact and it runs again.
These will never catch on. Horses don't break down.
35 years in the trade, and this interior finally made him throw up.
Comments agreed. Chewing tobacco on the seats, spit on the door. Start saying no to these.
Another honesty test rolled into the shop, and this one is getting harder.
Nobody wants to admit they ate 9 cans of ravioli. What is rarer than quadristeer? Working quadristeer.
Pulled the center console out of a Malibu, and the customer now owns a Glock.
Somebody stashed it during a traffic stop, still went to jail. Car auctioned as is.
Driver states, loud meows coming from the front of the bus.
Cat distribution system at play.
Every Lamborghini that came through the shop today was green. Every single one of them.
Lamborghini.
Found a stack of cash sitting under the driver's seat. Honesty test.
A former bank teller says it's payroll. Crew leaders pay temp workers in cash.
Transmission burned out at 60,000 miles, and he wonders why.
Widest tyres you can fit add rolling resistance and rotational mass. Torque converter cooks itself.
Shout out to Freightliner and Allison for making every transmission wire the exact same colour.
On a tractor, at least they print the circuit number on the wire.
He towed his Jeep behind an RV and never noticed it was missing a wheel.
More like just dragged into the shop.
Another one of those customer honesty tests left behind in the vehicle.
Customer, who took my bobcat piss? Me, reeking of bobcat piss. I don't know.
Lamborghini wanted $1,300 for a gas cap. He fitted a $40 Ford Focus cap.
Now we just need a Focus owner paying $1,300 for a Lambo cap.
Customer declined the new tyres.
Whenever someone ends up in the ditch on a barely damp road, I wonder how. Now I know.
Somebody left this one on the counter for all the married guys in the shop.
At least something is scheduled.
He says he doesn't care what the flat rate is. He's not touching this thing.
Big talk from a guy standing within Nissan Cube range.
Somebody traded in their car with a little extra hardware still on board.
What I found. A fucking gun. What the hell type of bullets are these? God damn.
No, sir. We don't recall seeing a firearm on the vehicle.
The lid under the hood is labelled, "Pull out to open, air filter."
The engineer proudly wrote "pull out to open," then a colleague wheelie-chaired over and asked, "Open what?"
Lost your 5/8 inch wrench on an El Camino in the early 60s? It was in the bumper.
That's how you end up with a 60-year rattle.
Customer states he suspects a fuel leak. A full 90-litre tank of diesel lasts 40 kilometres.
Quote, leak.
5.7 hours to replace an evap core under warranty, and manufacturers wonder about the tech shortage.
They don't wonder. They know. They just don't care. Until there's a revolt, nothing changes.
This G-Wagon got taken down by its amplifier.
I found this one to have weird voltages. So I unplug it and the car starts and runs just fine. No issues at all.
Putting the stereo on the drivetrain CAN bus seems sloppy.
Owner posted the whole job and asked the shop how he did.
I'd bet $10 they talked everything to spec and gave each part a little kiss before installation.
Customer states, noise coming from the engine.
Did you at least let it finish gnawing that back-ordered harness in half?
He said he had the privilege of working on this fine specimen today.
This is when you do not break out the UV light.
This car takes 29 minutes to measure its own oil level after a service.
You get to bill for that time, right? Right, Anakin?
This is the last job a drill ever does.
Smoking by hole 40, and it still made it to 93. What a run.
Dude walked into the shop, said he was tired, and went to sleep.
Some would say he was tired-y. Congratulations on the new shop cat. That's the shop floor for today. If you made it this far, hit subscribe. Cheaper than a diagnostic fee. Like the video if it saved you a trip to the mechanic. One more case file, right there.